Once behind the wheel of a new Kenworth, many drivers will see something new, something revolutionary. It's called Nav Plus, a breakthrough navigation system, plus so much more. Kenworth Nav Plus is true trucking technology. It's the first OEM application of Garmin's truck navigation software. That means calculated routes are truck and load specific, giving drivers real benefits on the road. But that's not all. With Nav Plus, drivers enjoy hands-free phone calls, audio from 6 different sources, vehicle data displays, camera inputs for up to 4 exterior camera displays, and optional internet access for use when parked. And that's just the beginning. The system will continue to be updated with new and expanded features. Take a closer look at some of the basic Nav Plus features drivers will use on the road and at rest. The Home button on the lower left corner of the screen takes you to the home screen. Next to the Home button, there's a row of Hot buttons. They take you straight to the truck status screen, the navigation screen, the audio functions, phone functions, and screen settings. Note, the Nav Plus buttons are different than the heat-sensitive buttons on a cell phone. They require a little more effort to press, which helps reduce selection errors, and the touchscreen works equally well when drivers wear gloves, handy in the vocational world. Before heading out on the road, a driver clicks on the navigation button and enters the truck profile data. This customizes the navigation system for the specific vehicle and load, allowing it to calculate and display the appropriate routes to take. Because Nav Plus is a truck navigation system, it will alert the driver to roads that may be difficult to navigate, way station locations, hazardous load restrictions, low bridges or tunnels, and so forth. Incidentally, when driving through a tunnel, Nav Plus keeps tracking accurately, even when the signal is lost momentarily. Once on the road, if a driver needs parts or service, the system includes directions to the nearest Kenworth dealer. If the driver needs to call the dealer, or anyone else for that matter, the Nav Plus phone functions make it easy. In addition to voice activation, the Bluetooth system can connect with the driver's compatible phone to import contacts and allow hands-free operation. Drivers can also send text messages using the on-screen keyboard once parked. Whether parked or on the road, drivers have all the audio choices they could hope for. Starting with an AM/FM radio with a weather band and CD player, plus satellite radio capability for commercial-free programming cross-country, plus a USB port for an MP3 player, such as an iPod, auxiliary port for external music devices, and Bluetooth wireless connection to music stored on a smartphone. If you have a music collection, Nav Plus can play it. While underway, drivers can access 6 standard virtual gauges, including oil temp, transmission temp, average fuel economy, manifold boost, DPF status, and percent torque. Nav Plus has the ability to expand to 36 gauges as they're developed. If any of the readings are out of normal range, a warning is activated to alert the driver, who can then go to the warning screen for details. Vehicle operating information can also be found on the diagnostic screen, where the fault codes are displayed, thus simplifying troubleshooting. Aftermarket cameras can be installed for a better view of the surroundings. Drivers can click on the camera button to see up to 4 exterior cameras. The camera views can be used to see blind spots or to assist with a backup view when the truck is moving in reverse. Back on the home screen, the Tools button calls up a calculator, an alarm clock, a calendar, and the video screen if an external video player is connected via the USB or auxiliary ports. With the use of an optional modem and data subscription plan, the Connect screen provides information on part specials, Premier Care services, and future PACCAR offerings. This is also the screen used to browse favorite internet websites, such as weather, news, or personal email. Some of the features you've just seen are available on the road and some are not. Nav Plus has 2 operating modes, Safe Mode and Full Mode. Safe Mode kicks in when the truck is moving over 5 miles per hour and it includes all the functions that contribute to safety and efficiency, plus typical audio functions such as the radio and CD player. Phone dialing is available only through voice recognition commands. The telephone keypad doesn't appear, and the internet is not accessible. Unavailable buttons will be grayed out. Once parked, the system automatically switches to full mode, and the driver can access all functions. The Nav Plus Operator's Manual describes the system in detail. The screens and menus, what they do, how they work, how this advanced technology helps drivers work smart, in control, and in comfort. Kenworth Nav Plus, a revolutionary truck navigation system, and so much more.